going on, YouTube, my family and my friends? Excellent Dreams here, back with another video for you today. And I had one of my members that was asking, how do I evenly space the lines? So I'm working on this design here, and it can be a lot. I mean, it looks like a lot. It definitely is. I'm working on it. So, like this line right here, definitely looks like we can get an extra stone in there. So I'm gonna click on one stone, I'm gonna hold down shift and click on the next one. I'm going to continue to hold shift as I click on the next one and the next one and the next one. I'm gonna let shift go, and then I'm gonna use my respace stones to make the spacing equal button here, like so. Then I'm just add a stone. Boom. Once I added a stone, I want to hold down shift again and then hit the next button to the left, which is clear the path from the selected objects, to remove this black line here, like so. And I'm going to continue to do that, like on this line here. Replace the stones, make the spacing equal, add a stone. I'm going to delete this stone here and this stone here. Just space those by the eye. Move that in some. Equal space this right here. I'm going to continue to move along like this right here. I'm going to add a stone there. Looks like I can add a stone here. Might not. Definitely not. Looks like I can just place that one there and move around pretty much equal spacing, using the equal space tool over and over and over again to equal space those stones and move them into place, y'all. So right here, I'm going to delete this stone because it doesn't belong there. I'm going to move this stone down. I'm going to hold shift and select every stone in this row. Let shift go. Equal space. Replace the stones to make the spacing equal. I'm going to add a stone. And I'm going to hold shift and clear the paths from the selected objects. Hope this video helped. Tap in. Become a member. Subscribe, become a member, join as an exclusive design level member, and you'll get all of these exclusive trainings that I do weekly. Tap in, tap in, tap in.